Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can blend videos in Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened into my Filmora application, and as you can see, I have created a project, and then I'm going to add my videos to the timeline. I'm going to add this video, and then also this one, and I'm going to blend there's two videos, but wait, I'm going to cut it to make it align with my first video. Okay, and if we want to blend video guys, we can go to the video menu and then select basic, and we need to scroll down until we find a blend mode. Wait, you can scroll down until you find the blend mode, this one, and you can choose the blend mode you want to apply. For example, I'm going to apply lighten. Okay, and let's see the result. As you can see guys, that the videos have been blended. Okay guys, and that's all the way to blend videos in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!